In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix the missing Bluetooth icon on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like for more content just like this. When the Bluetooth icon disappears, it can make accessing Bluetooth settings and features a lot more difficult, but don't worry, we'll walk you through how you can restore it very quickly. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in settings, and it's going to pop up with this page. Click on settings to open up the overall settings for your PC. And then as you can see on this left-hand section, you're going to want to navigate to Bluetooth and devices. Once you get to this screen, go ahead and click on devices to open up your overall Bluetooth section and scroll down until you see the option for more Bluetooth settings. Click on this, it's going to pop up with this little pop-up right here. And then what you're going to want to go ahead and tick is actually this button at the very bottom that says show Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Go ahead and hit apply and then OK after doing so. And as you can see now, if you navigate to the notification section, there's going to be that Bluetooth icon back there. From here, you can right click on it, show all your Bluetooth devices, even add a new Bluetooth device, and so much more. This is really convenient just because it makes everything a little bit quicker. But it's as simple as that. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comment section below and we'd be happy to help you out. And remember, before you leave this video, make sure you're leaving a like on it and of course subscribing to the channel with all notifications on for even more content like this. Have a good one. Bye.